What's up everybody, it's Danny Black and I'm here on the Pacific Dawn and it's Tuesday and I kind of want to bring back some tech to my channel, and Tuesdays seems like the perfect time to do it, but I don't want it to be like an unboxing thing. I want it to be more like what I use in my experience and what I use to like travel with, and things that are just really convenient for maybe you to use on your vacations or making videos of your own. So it's Tech Tuesday. So today I really want to highlight the accessories I use with my iPhone 10. A lot of really cool products, which I'll link down below in the description. First off, if you want to see my iPhone 10 video, you can check it out up here. And second, I got these Moment lenses 4 months ago, so I have a lot of experience out of these. I got the wide angle, zoom lens, and the super awesome macro lens. So the cool thing about having the whole Moment lens thing is that you can see that it makes a huge difference in the angle. So like watch, you get this cool case and you can actually even attach a strap to it, which comes in very, very, very handy, especially when you're leaning over the side of a ship and you don't want to worry about bumping it off and knocking it down. It's cool if you want to get the telephoto shot, the telephoto lens right here. And thanks to Emma for being my model without even knowing it. The zoom on this thing is amazing. So check this out, if I'm talking to the camera, it looks a little bit close, but if I just toss this lens on there, it makes it so much more of a wide angle so that you can see a better perspective. And the sound of it is actually really good too, just off the iPhone, but there's also ways to make your sound better. So this is a Shure microphone, and I will plug this in here. So depending on how I'm shooting, I can face it forward, I can face it out. I can't face it this way, but also, you know, I can flip it around like that and then face it this way. So let's start with this. This is the built-in microphone on the iPhone, and then let's switch it to this microphone right here. It sounds pretty good. I mean, I don't really notice too much of a difference unless it's like windy outside. Another really cool gadget is the Time-Lapse Timer from Gopro. It can really transform your videos and time lapses like these. And I found this super cheap holder for the iPhone with a lot of places to add accessories. Throw a light up right here. I mean, like you can even throw up another camera if you wanted to face the other way, or just to get an extra shot. Throw a tripod down here at the bottom. If I need to do live video, I use this because you can actually walk around with it and keep it a lot more like stable. But if you really, really want that buttery smooth footage, you gotta go with the gimbal. And the Osmo Mobile works really, really well, especially for like hyperlapses, or you know, if you really want to get that nice close-up shot, it really works well. There's an attachment that you can put onto the side so that you can also use your lenses from Moment. So that's like the ultimate iPhone setup for me. I think that works out really, really well. And I don't have to take a lot of big gear around anymore because, you know, it's just easy to put some of the stuff in your pocket. And that's it. It's super light and super convenient and very professional. You might not even know that I was filming this with an iPhone. I hope you enjoy me bringing more tech back to this channel. What do you use to shoot your videos? Well, good morning everyone. Why would I say good morning? That's stupid. Wow, you made it this far in the video? Then you might as well hit the subscribe button. And check out this video that YouTube thinks you will like.